Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical Movie Desk. I hope you all are enjoying. So today I'm going to show you something interesting, one Wi-Fi trick using which you can create a one more Wi-Fi. So the logic behind is uh, if someone is asking for your Wi-Fi router password. So instead of giving your original Wi-Fi router password, what you can do, you can create the bridge, Wi-Fi bridge, I can say, through which the user can access your Wi-Fi router through your mobile. Okay, through your mobile created Wi-Fi. I mean, he don't need to have access of your original Wi-Fi. Then you can say you will create a clone Wi-Fi of your original Wi-Fi. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so if I will explain it will be a little bit technical. So let me show you how you can do that. So open the mobile console and just search for settings, and then here you can see wireless and networks. Open that, and here you can see tethering and portable hotspot. Open that. Here you can see Wi-Fi bridge. I have on it. So here I have given the Wi-Fi name MobiDesk, so it will appear. Okay, so let me show you. So here you can see MobiDesk. It appeared. I can connect to this Wi-Fi as well, and I can by connecting this Wi-Fi I can access this resources of this Wi-Fi. So basically this one is my uh, original Wi-Fi router, and I am going to access it through this mobile with the name of MobiDesk. So it create a bridge between your original access point and this. So you can change it like uh, let me give a name RJ. I will save it, uh, and I will off it, and then I will enable it again, or you can say on it again, and after refresh it, and here you can see the option of RJ. Yeah, it is showing because this connection is created like recently, and it will take a time to remove it. So here you can see RJ I've created, so I can connect to this Wi-Fi to access this one. So what you can do, if your friend asks for your Wi-Fi router, so you can create a dummy one. You can create a bridge and you can give access to that bridge so that they can access this. So in this scenario, what will happen? This network will be secure. You don't need to share a password. So whenever they will come to they will on their Wi-Fi. So you need to enable this Wi-Fi with them, and then they can access this original Wi-Fi. So let me show you. If I will connect to this one RJ, the net is working or not. Okay, I got connected. Let me open the YouTube. See, it is working with the same speed. So like this you can make a Wi-Fi bridge, and you can give access to your friends and the people who are asking for your Wi-Fi router. I think it seems interesting. So, and if you don't get it, you can do a comment so that I can explain you and I can help you out to do the same. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.